So like there's a lot of parallels, I think, to this, which is the regulators are going to ultimately, and they always trail the market because it's moving so fast, but they're going to want to be able to say to, like this hedge fund example, right? Like, explain to me exactly how all these decisions were made to reach that point, because we'll surely find that, just like we did with some of the earlier hedge fund meltdowns that used, programmatic trading, that the good news is you can do these things really fast and at scale. The bad news is you can do these things really fast and at scale.
That's exactly right. And reactively and without supervision and so on.
Yeah. So you can make big problems very fast.
Yeah, and it's very fragile. I think that's one thing I want to emphasize. There's an excellent anecdote from one of the very first fabs when they're trying to make computer chips back in Boston. So they had this electronic system where, clean room and they're trying to lay silicon and there's all of these challenges. And they found that it was affected by the phase of the moon and the tides, and there's all these things. But specifically, they found that when there was one engineer working, the fab would always break. And they said, like, he's following procedures we don't know. They found out, they traced it back, and he had a copper doorknob on his house.
Yes, I
And
think I might tell the story.
the
Yeah.
remnants of the copper on his fingers destroyed the fab, right?
Yeah.
Just the atoms. That's the same today with agent workflows.